of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Tampa, Spring Hill, Lakeland, Northport, Plant City, Temple Terrace, Zephyr Hills, Brooksville, Inverness, Dade City, Williston, Chiefland, Bronson, Roots, Homosassa Springs, Beverly Hills, Brandon, Fish Hawk, Port Charlotte, and St. Leo. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash